Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the Georgetown Festival. I think they're calling it 6 to 11 because it happens from 6 to 11. So that's a clever name. And it's kind of like a festival of lights from what I've been told. They have like huge puppets made out of lights and stuff. One of my viewers told me about this, messaged me on Instagram. So here it is, 6 to 11. From 6 to 11. It's today and tomorrow. And yeah, here's like the projections on the buildings. It's pretty cool. A lot of people here. Anytime there's a free event. Go down farther. People don't get too mad at me for walking in front of them. Sorry. Pretty cool. We got a bunch of stands set up. Juices, coffee, ice cream, cinnamon rolls for $2.25. And this beautiful building here, all lit up. Pizza for $6. Fruit sandwich. There's a stage up there. We got some music going. Cool little event. Lemonade. There's just so many people. It's a beautiful building. Coconut coconut shake. Coconut pasta. $7 for some spaghetti and meatballs. I got a big cruise ship over there. Alright, let's see if we can get to the main stage area.
Public installation, workshops, forums, and community programs. For those hoping to experience even more, the festival also presents an outstanding lineup of ticketed productions featuring acclaimed local and international artists across theatre, dance, music, and multidisciplinary arts.
Someone's got their German
Together
sign.
with many free-to-attend programs, Georgetown Festival offers something for everyone, regardless of age or background. The spirit of Beyond Boundaries is also reflected in this year's international collaboration. Georgetown Festival is proud to work with the Embassy of Spain in Malaysia, the Taipei Economy and Culture Office in Malaysia, the Royal Thai Consul General Office in Penang,
To close stands over here.
partners including Ansan Street Festival, Street Arts Festival in South Korea, and the Singapore Night Festival. This collaboration strengthen cultural exchange, encourage artistic dialogue, and create new opportunities for artists and communities across Asia and beyond. As we celebrate the opening of Georgetown Festival 2026, I invite all of you to go beyond boundaries to discover something new, connect with one another, and experience the arts in ways that inspires curiosity, creativity, and a deeper appreciation of our shared humanity. I wish you a memorable and inspiring Georgetown Festival 2026. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Young Roma, Tuan Wong Hon Wai, Penang State Exco for Tourism and Creative Economy.
Alright, so that was like the
Much to look
opening
forward to
speech
for Georgetown Festival 2020.
for the festival. Everybody's kind of popping a squat in the grass.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Next, it is our utmost privilege to invite our guest of honor, the Chief Minister of Penang, Yang Amat Berhormat Tuan Chong Kon Yao, to deliver the opening speech. A round of applause as we welcome Yang Amat Berhormat Chief Minister on stage.
The leader of Penang giving a speech.
Terima kasih. Salam sejahtera. Salam Penang 2020. Honorable Saudara State Executive Councillor for Tourism and Creative Economy. Honorable Lim Hui Ying,
Alright.
Deputy Minister of Women, Family and Community.
I will pick you up when the party gets started. Alright, they got some music going. People are flicking these little glowing things in the air. I'm not sure what that instrument is. A bunch of families hanging out in the grass. Very family-friendly events. Let's see if I could zoom in on. Warrior spirit. I haven't seen the big puppets made of light. Maybe later. So pretty chill event. Georgetown Festival. I don't think I'm gonna make it 11 o'clock, but I just wanted to show you what it was all about. So pretty cool, but that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching and talk to you later. Take it easy.